guys, welcome back to another episode of See You Slurps MSG Mondays. Today we're going to be trying Prima Taste Singapore Curry La Mienne. My friend Sarah gave me these noodles. I'm really excited to try them. I love Singapore curries. It's supposed to be like a lot of coconut broth in there, very aromatic. I'm really looking forward to trying this, so let's get started. So this is the finished product. Wow, so first thoughts, this is really good. Look how thick and chewy the noodles are. They're super good. They have not gone soggy despite the 7-minute cooking time. It does take a little bit longer to cook, but the results are really, really nice. You've got a nice creamy coconut flavor here, a hint of curry spice. It actually is not as salty as other instant noodles, which is what I like. It's super flavorful. It's really, really good. I actually really like this. I cannot believe I haven't had this before. I would definitely give this like a 4.5 out of 5. Super, super, super yummy. These definitely get the 2 thumbs up. Super tasty, 4.5 out of 5. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the links down below. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell at the top so you don't miss out on any new videos. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!